Hi, my name is Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over 3 things that you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found that by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands to say, I like you, please help me out. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I give you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now, let me show you 3 things that'll set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing we're going to look at here is I just took your website URL and I plugged it into a tool called SEO Quick, which you can get for free. What we want to look at here is the amount of content you have on your homepage. So right here you have about 550 words, so you're falling about 1,000 shy of what Google has released. They release that their algorithms, when searching for websites to pull up towards the top of the page, want to see about a minimum of 1,500 words to be optimized. So you need to add about 1,000 words of content in order to meet that. Now the reason this is important is 2 reasons. One, it allows you to get more keywords, which are important. So yours are damage, water, call, and restoration are your top 4. And as we can see, they're 14, 12, 8. 14, 12, 12, and 8. So keywords are when I typed whatever I type in Google looking for a business, what the Google algorithms scrub and look for. Now, the second reason is because it shows Google that you have a lot of information and you're a worthy site to bring to the top to make sure that people that use Google are getting what they want. Now, we look here and I typed in water damage restoration Anaheim, and your number 1 competitor is right here, ATI. So let's look at what they're doing. They have about almost 2,300 words on their homepage, and they have damage, water, restoration, and services, but a lot more times. So as you can see, it pays to invest in the content and not only the quantity, but the quality. The second thing I'm going to talk about is citations. So if we look back here at what I searched, we see this little map pack area. And your number 1 competitor in that is FRP Emergency Flood West Anaheim. So I use a tool called White Spark, and what we can see is they have about 30 citations. Now what a citation is simply is just an area where you put in your names, which is your name, address, and phone numbers. And you put these into directories, anywhere from Yellow Book, White Book, Yek, City Star, Yelp, so on and so forth. Now the reason you want to do this is it just helps get your name spread around there. It might not help you in the organic listing, but it's definitely going to help you get to the top of the map pack. Now the third and most important thing is going to be offsite SEO and backlinking. So I took your website and I put it in this tool called Ahrefs, and we can see you have 171 backlinks with 10 domains but 0 DR and 0 traffic. Now most likely the reason being is going to be your backlinks are not coming from reliable, strong sources, and therefore they're not generating any DR. Now the DR, or domain rating, is what Google drives most of its ranking off of. Now what a backlink is just a link from one website to another website. Basically a website pointing at you. So it works like this. If site A is pointing to site B, then site A is giving some of its link juice or power to site B. It's basically a popularity contest. So if we look at your competition right here, they're doing about 8,000 backlinks, a 45 DR, which is really high, and they're getting about 5.2 thousand clicks a month. So that's 5.2 thousand visitors on their website a month. And as you can see, the estimated value of that is almost 23,000 on just the clicks alone. So you can just imagine how much money you're missing out on jobs if 5.2 thousand people are clicking on them and as opposed to you. So in closing, we went over 3 things today. We went over content quantity and how you want to have a good amount of content on this homepage, a minimum of 1,500 words. Second, we went over citations and how in order to be the top of the map pack, you need to have the most citations to beat out your competition. I often recommend about 100 to 200. Lastly, we discussed the importance of backlinking and link juice and how you need the most relevant sites pointing at you to show Google that you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, you can either take the information I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.